Let's talk about the connection among the human beings, technology, and time. On one hand, as a rapid development of science and technology, we seem to have a variety of ways to control time. It provides us with unprecedented convenience. It can enable us to make efficient use of time and arrange the time properly according to what we need to help us achieve more things. While on the other hand, as a rapid development of science and technology, we are unavoidably facing the limit given by time. We become addicted to social media, electronic games, and online video, and ignore the true interpersonal interaction and the awareness of keeping healthy. We always have a sense of we have a lack of time. A growing number of anxiety and pressure are under increasing. People tend to complain about the science and technology and completely ignore their own responsibility. They think it's science and technology that make them lazy, so that they are controlled by time. Of course, we can put the blame on science and technology. It's just a tool. We're the masters of our own time. The key factor of we'll control the time or we're controlled by time relies on whether we can manage the time correctly and make proper use of time. If we can make proper use of technology and regard it as a tool which can make us do things more efficiently and help us achieve the goal, we can truly be the masters of time. So, we are supposed to keep the balance between the technology and real life, and are aware of time is precious. What's more, we should also manage time properly and learn to set a goal and a priority level, so that we can avoid having a waste of time in doing some unnecessary things. Meanwhile, we also should keep relaxed and have a rest. Be sure to keep in mind that don't let the science and technology become the source of pressure. What's more, we place importance on our own self-discipline and responsibility, and learn to keep the connection between life and technology in balance. In a word, we should make logical use of technology and try to make it become a kind of huge energy which can help us manage time. Although the rapid development of science and technology provides us more opportunities and choices for us, but it also brings us plenty of temptations and pressure. We should look at it correctly and make proper and logical use of time under the help of technology. Try to be the master of time and not be controlled by time. Only in this way can we have a positive attitude to face the challenges in the future.